Well, I'm here with my buddy, Trail Medic. He's been having trouble with his internet out in his pole barn. So I found a solution, brought it down for him. We're gonna install it and try. It's a Nova Tenda, T-E-N-D-A, whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. So it's supposed to cover, I think it was 5,000 or 6,000 square feet. Starting out, he's got to download an app. He's working on that right now. Once we get the app downloaded, then we'll take the units inside and start doing an install. So
it says to connect the Wi-Fi network of a Tenda device.
Well, connection so far has been pretty easy. Running an Ethernet cable and a power cable, and I just reused the one we had on the other repeaters that we had in place. And you got it connected, and then you use the app, or actually you use the app to connect it to set up the new Wi-Fi. So I gave it a new Wi-Fi name and password, and then we'll go out in the garage and set the other one up. So onward and upward. All right, it's Keystar now. I'm gonna hook up the remote one out in the shop.
We're gonna put it over here. Actually, I think I'd rather put it in this window because it's direct line of sight between the glass door of the patio and this window. And correct me if I'm wrong, but from what you've told me, the problem that we're having here is this is a metal building, right?
Yep. The metal building blocks the signal. So I'm not sure it's a problem with this window. Actually, let's try it over here in this window.
You want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it. Because you already got a little shelf up there for the other one we had up there.
Right.
Now, for those that don't know, this is Keith. He's Trail Medic. He's got a YouTube channel, Trail Medic. He is a big expert on diesel heaters and building camper vans.
I don't know if experts is, but I try.
Yeah, he's an expert. Anybody that's building one comes and talks to him, and I know that. All right, we got it plugged up and installed. Now we go back to
Is there a direction that we can point?
I don't think so. Now we go back to the app on his phone.
Keith's Garage.
Yeah. All
That's
right.
what you named
Go back to the app. Yeah, that's what I named it. Next. 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 All right, check the connection status on that. See whether
on
it's
that up there.
on the top corner. There's a little LED light.
Green.
And what was green indicating? Green indicates excellent connection.
This place is a mess, isn't it?
Nope. I look at it as the lab of a mad scientist is what I see. Well, yeah, there it is that too. All right, so now click on IC.
Log in to manage the router anytime, anywhere.
Okay, you can close that because you're done. You're installed. And we got one more you can put someplace.
Okay, well let's see where I'm at here.
You're connected to it right now. Your Wi-Fi is connected to it.
Keys garage.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on.
Well, that one.
I want to make sure all the bugs are out of it before you leave.
I don't know why, just because I've left you in the lurch before.
Bam. All right.
I'll do one of your famous speed tests on it.
Here we go.
Now he is on a Starlink connection. That's the satellite service that we're on, that we're using here, is Starlink.
That's as good, or I don't know, it could be better than the one inside. I don't think so.
Yeah. No, that's, yeah. Keith and I, neither one are real happy with the download speeds on our, or upload speeds with the Starlink, but it's still adequate for most things you do, unless you're uploading YouTube videos like he and I do, and then yeah, it's real slow.
Well, actually, 8 is 3 or 4 times faster than what I had prior to Starlink.
Correct.
You know,
Correct.
upload of 8.
Yeah.
So, and I think you told me it goes exponentially.
Yeah. Basically it is.
You're getting 2. 8 is not just 4 times greater, it's probably 40 times.
It's 10 to 15 times faster or something like that. But yeah, it's exponential, so yeah. So now you got one more to put wherever you want.
And all I have to do is
Just plug it up and then run and check the app.
over here on my TV, you can see we've got, show them Gary, we have 2 to pick from. The reason the one says thank God is because my internet was so horrible that whenever I hooked up Starlink and I got like 20 times better, I said thank God. So that's what I named it. But anyway, so now we're going to go to Keith's garage. Well, let's go back up here first. Look how many bars you've got of signal strength.
Half the bars on the Starlink router to his garage through the metal wall.
Yeah, it's just coming through that little window.
Yeah.
And now we go to Keith's garage.
Oh, wait a minute. Back up one.
Okay.
Go to the left one.
To the left.
Go to the left one more. Go to one more. Go to the about. Go to the right and go down one. Go down to about. And there, it shows 4 signal strength right there.
So now go to the other.
Yep. Now it goes. Go back one. Left. Yep. Yep. No.
Oh, it's got to scan it again.
Yeah. Okay. And connect. And then I'll hide this so it doesn't see your password to connect.
How fast that was. All right,
Yeah.
now.
Now what's your signal strength?
Excellent.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice one. So now go back and try it on. Try it on one of your YouTubes. Where's your YouTube's at?
I'm
Go to your YouTubes. Go up. Alright.
Well, that's who's watching. You want to see some nice stuff, you have to go.
Alright. Yeah, I'll bring one of yours up. Where's your viral one?
The viral?
Yeah. Alright. Still something. I don't care what.
I don't know where. There it is. There's the viral.
Alright.
495,000.
I'll open that up.
Hey, it's Aaron CT, and if you're worried your AC unit won't make it through the summer, the only call you should...
I believe it's pronounced Covia. It is the Covia Cupid heater. I had one guy comment, he goes, well, I'll never get that 2 minutes of you unpacking that sack. That 2 minutes of my life sack.
We'll watch. The other thing that I've been hearing in the back of the truck with the truck camping, Mr. Buddy heater is just so big that the quality of this compared to that Chinese heater that I was looking at is a lot.
Is that propane or?
Uses a butane canister. I'll show you in a second. Let's look at it a little closer by and try it out. This little heater uses a butane canister. Same canister that my stove uses, same canister that the heater that we looked at a couple of videos ago.
So it's not propane, it's butane.
Right. There you go. Alrighty, man. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Well, I think that's probably going to do it for this. Remember, in life, make memories but only leave footprints. And internet signals when you can. Y'all take care. We'll see you down the road.
Later.